So this is my updated introduction, since a lot of things happened in the past 2 months. So yeah, my name is Iman. I'm an independent certified consultant with Notion company. I help them on daily basis to offer live sessions to their customers, which are basically just users of Notion like you, who are probably struggling with setting up their Notion workspaces, or just want to learn the basics to get started, or some advanced users also who want improvement of their current setups. So basically, this is what I do on daily basis for a couple of hours every day. And I also build digital products, which are just Notion systems that I build for business use or also personal use. And this is my portfolio right here. You can see that I have, as of now, as of today, the February 13th, I have all these badges from Notion. The most important one right now is the Notion Certified Admin. However, I'm also approved as a partner, but I just have to complete my certified services certification for the services. So that one is in progress, and by the time I finish that, I will also record another updated video to talk about that. So yeah, so this is my current portfolio. These are just some samples. I haven't included everything yet, but I will do it. You can see here some of my systems, like full content management systems that I built, video editing management systems, IT projects management dashboards, even I'm currently working on full systems for education services agencies to manage all their operations inside Notion, and also another one for a coaching client. So yes, these are some of my reviews also, and these are the basically just the other templates that I've built. Probably one of my best performing templates is the budget tracker. As you can see here, I have I built a monthly budget tracker for businesses and also for individual use. It's really trending right now on Notion Marketplace. As you can see, this is the number of downloads on this one. So I have many plans to create more cool tools with Notion to help you as businesses operate in Notion in a more productive and optimized way. So yeah, this is a brief description of what I do right now. And if you need anything in terms of building full systems or improving existing ones inside Notion, or even in internal automations, or also mentoring sessions, then I can do that. You just reach out to me and we can talk about it. Thank you.